Hey guys, guess what I got? Ta-da! It's a Valentino lipstick. First of all, thank you to Influencer and Valentino for letting me have this Spike Valentino Matte Couture in a lipstick for review. So, oh my gosh, look at it. Isn't it adorable? This is my first Valentino item, yes, and ooh, look at that. It's magnetic. The lid is magnetic. Bam. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. Alrighty. So this is color 134R. Is a sort of, I don't know. It's not plummy. It's like maybe mulberry, or it's sort of a berry shade, but it's definitely more of a orange-based berry shade. So kind of hard to describe. But this is definitely matte, and so let me try it out real quick and see how I feel about it. Alright, so that was a clip of it on my lips. I didn't actually have any other makeup on. But yeah, it feels comfortable. It's smooth. It doesn't transfer, once you do that initial smooch to blot. And honestly, it's a very bold color, but surprisingly it works well. And somehow, even though this is more of a yellow based color than a blue, it makes my teeth look whiter. So overall, I'm thrilled to be able to try out this Spike Valentino Matte Couture in a lipstick color, and in color 134R. Oh, Couture in the Streets. There's a name. So thanks Valentino, and thanks Influencer, and have a good day, guys.